Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Jeremy IDI, bringing you guys another video. Today we're gonna be looking at the old 7.3. Literally like a couple days after I made the last video, playing in the snow. Tried to start it again. Truck was cranking good. I thought it was gonna start, so I turned the key back off, cycled the glow plugs again, and went to start it, and nothing. Tick, tick. You know, every time I turn the key, tick. I finally did it. I finally burned out the starter, so we're going to be replacing it with this today. So this is a starter from, I believe it is DB Electric. It's one of the high torque starters. I've seen some decent reviews. One of the reviews said it only lasted about a year and then they would start going out, but a lot of the other reviews are all good. That's probably the worst one I found. So I mean, at least if it lasts for a while, starts the truck good, I'm not worried about it. These things where they're high torque, they crank a lot faster than the stock starter. So that's why I purchased one of these. Maybe it'll help it out because my truck's not perfect. My truck has fuel leaks and stuff, so it loses its prime. I should be fixing that, but I mean, obviously I'm going to have to replace this anyways. So maybe this will help out a little bit. One of the next things I'm hoping to do to my truck is I'm going to be putting some different tires on it. Here's my front tires. I don't know if you can see, but they got a little bit of dry rot and stuff on them. They're not that bad, but I actually did have the other one, which was the twin to that tire right there, actually lined up going out. And luckily, it wasn't while I was on the road, but the whole sidewall pretty much just was giving out. So the tires on the back are actually pretty decent, but the thing is, I've got a whole nother set of tires in my building out there. They're General Grabber 82s. I had them on my other truck. They're still good. They weren't on but like a couple of weeks, so they're actually going to wind up going on this truck and we'll get two new ones to throw on the front there. And yeah, I should have a pretty freaking good set of tires. The tires on the front, those are slicker and shit. We've been having a lot of snow recently, so I took this out one day and then the road was just like covered in ice. My road was, and I slid it. The front end wanted to slide everywhere. The back end didn't have too much problem catching grip, but we're going to get that sorted out. They did get off-road though when I had the old truck. Hopefully the GoPro battery doesn't go dead, but we're going to get to work on this. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery terminals and get in their truck and get to work. So for my truck, my terminals take a 13mm. Hopefully this doesn't break. I actually just wound up putting that on. It's a little flimsier than what I would have liked. Come on, please. It's the wrong way, dumbass. I'm just going to get it loosened up here. Take it off. So that terminal's off. I'm going to go to the other side. Here. Get this one off. This one's actually broke. I don't know if you can see right there. So I'm actually going to be replacing this one probably before I start the truck and everything. Picked up at O'Reilly's, so I actually couldn't find the one of the other ones while we were out because this one, you can see it's got the wire coming in for both sides. Couldn't find one of those. I'm just going to get this one off. Hopefully not drop anything because you see there we got a friggin' washer holding it against it, so it's a little tight. But sorry, we can get this one off. Dog is as well. I don't know why I got this wrench. It's the wrong freaking wrench. I took that wrench and put it between the other ones to get it loosened up because that thing did not want to come off for some reason. There's another 13. What did I do with the other 13 I just fucking had? I'm losing it, people. There, there's Charlie. It's right here. I'm stupid. Get this one. This is a ratchet wrench. I can get it on it. But this way. Oh, wow. Wow. You can see how well that was actually on there. I didn't even do nothing to it. I just took the wrench to it and it popped right off. Both the battery terminals off. Actually have the old cap I'm gonna throw over this one. A little mud on it, but it'll be alright. Because this one wire right here is very tight right here. It doesn't like to flex much, and you can see it's pretty much right up against it. I got that hose right there against it. Yeah, I'm pretty much just rambling at this point. We're gonna get under. There we are under the old girl. She's sweating horsepower. There's all the wires to her. One bolt right here, bolt right here, right there, and I think there's bolt up in the top of it. Yeah, I think the third bolt's way back in there. Leaf spring right in my way. Get some wrenches in here, figure out what size, take off some of the wires. This leaf spring is literally right in my way. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm gonna get the new starter in today, but I do have the old one here. This thing was a bitch to get out. You see that's burn up right there. There was another wire. So my GoPro's having a little bit of trouble charging, but got the old one out. You can see here. See that's, I don't know if part of that's broke or if it's just loose or what, but you can see down there part of the, looks like some of the wires been melting, so that's probably where I burnt the hell out of it. I'm thinking I can actually reuse the starter. It's just the solenoid that's fucked. This thing was a pain to get out. You see there's bolt hole here, and bolt hole here. the starter sits in there like this. Seems I'm gonna have to look for another one of the bolts to hold it up though, because I don't know why. And I noticed it was really odd, but when I started taking the first one out, you know, it got a little loose. I got both of these backed out a little bit, and it was just sitting there wobbling. I was like, that's odd. It's kind of weird. Surely to God, there's another bolt up there. And I kind of, the way it was like catching itself, I was like, okay, maybe it's just up there. Maybe it got loose somehow. I don't know. But no, I pulled it out, and I guess somebody half-assed the job before me, because this must not be the original. I can't really make that out. Looks like a Mitsubishi. But somebody half-assed the job, and I guess they left another bolt out. Either that or somehow the friggin' bolt worked its way out. I kind of doubt that. I'm guessing somebody half-assed it and didn't put the top bolt in because it's a pain. And I can understand it on that part, but just why? Just why? So, I'm not going to get it done tonight. It's getting dark. There's the rest of the nuts, and there's the bolt and the new starter, obviously. So, but yeah, guys, I believe that just about does it for me. Pretty much gotten everything picked up now. Just putting everything away. As you see, I mean, it's dark. The ground is wet and muddy, and I just don't feel like fooling with it right now. I'm tired. Those bolts were a pain to get out, even though there was only two, so look for a third one to put in it. Might have one. I might have to go get one. Not exactly sure. But it's gonna be done. I'm not gonna half-ass it. I'm gonna fix it the way that it should be. Sorry if the camera's shaking. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. I should have another video up. I'm gonna try to get this out tonight. Just hoping. I'm really sorry that I can't like really show you more of what I'm doing and what you have to do. I'm trying to show as much as I can. Just kind of wanted to update on what I'm doing, and maybe a little bit of info on how to do this and whatever. It's not meant to be a tutorial, so. But I hope some of you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like below and maybe subscribe for more. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the next one.